show. So today we're going to make easy mug cake and it's going to be very yummy, guys. So first you need to take 10 biscuits, your favorite biscuits. I like hide and seek, so I took hide and seek. It has to be like this, guys. Okay. So now we're going to put half teaspoon of baking powder. Wow. So now I'm going to mixing. It has to go all around, guys. So now we take 1/4 cup of milk. Wow. I like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. So now mix it nicely. So now I finished mixing it. Now I'm going to put it in the mug. Wow, guys. It's already looking very yummy, guys. So now I'm going to put it in the oven for 1 minute 30 seconds. Okay, guys?
Okay, now we're going to bake this in the oven. Okay? For 1 minute and 30 seconds. Now let's wait. Wow! Our mug cake is ready. Let me check if it is done, okay? I'm going to pass this stick through. Wow! It's a clean stick. That means the mug cake is ready.
Now our mug cake is ready, but I want to make it more interesting. So I'm going to put some chocolate topping. So we need 1 tablespoon of milk. And we're going to put it in the oven for 30 seconds. And we need chopped chocolate, okay, guys? I'm sure everything will be 1 tablespoon, guys. It is 1 tablespoon. Now let's melt it in the oven for 30 seconds.
Okay, I'm going to melt the chocolate, okay, in the oven for 30 seconds.
Our chocolate is melted very well, guys. Now we're going to put it on top of the cake. It looks so yummy, guys. Guys, it looks so yummy. I can't wait to try it. My mouth is just watering. It's very nice, guys. You must try it. You must taste it, guys. It's very nice, guys. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, friends.